Did you know a bank robber once escaped justice by jumping out of a courthouse window? In 1976, Albert Spaghiari planned the most daring bank heist in French history. His target? The Société Générale Bank in Nice. For months, his crew dug a tunnel from the city's storm drain straight into the bank vault. They welded through steel walls, disabled every alarm system. On one weekend, they emptied 317 safe deposit boxes. $100 million in cash, gold and jewellery vanished. Spaghiari left behind a mocking note: without weapons, without violence, without hate. Police traced his fingerprints and arrested him, but during questioning, Spaghiari did the impossible. He leaped from a second-story courthouse window onto a waiting motorcycle below and disappeared forever. The heist exposed massive corruption. Politicians and crime bosses had hidden illegal money in those same vault boxes. Most of the stolen treasure was never found. Spaghiari had pulled off the perfect crime and the perfect escape.